In this video, we're going to calculate the elasticity of supply along the supply curve between these two price points, $10 and $12. And we have data on production. It's 200 and 250. So how do we go about doing that? Well, it's the same kind of formula that we've been using all along, which is elasticity of supply is equal to the percent change in the quantity supplied over the percent change in the price. But of course, we're going to continue to use the midpoint formula. So the midpoint formula requires change in the quantity supplied, which is 50. So go ahead and write that in the numerator, over the average of the quantity supplied. So the average between these two numbers is 225. So put that underneath. And then for the percent change in the price, we're going to take the change in the price, which is 2, over the average price. 10 and 12 is 22 divided by 2. That's 11. Now, let's see what we can do in the numerator. It looks like we have a common factor of 25. So 25 goes into 50 2 times. And 25 goes into 225 9 times. So that's 2 over 9. And then we're going to divide by 2 over 11, but that's the same thing as multiplying by the inverse. That is 11 over 2. You can see right away that the 2's cancel, and you're left with, what, 11 over 9, which is equal to 1 2/9. Right? And of course, that's equal to approximately 1.22. And so that's the elasticity of supply between these two price points. What is the interpretation of the number? It means for every 1% increase in the price, the quantity supplied will increase by 1.22%. And that works just the other way around as well. For every 1% decline in the price, that will yield a 1.22% decline in the quantity supplied. And that's how you calculate elasticity of supply.